Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to voice record on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the Voice Memos app on your device. Once you open the Voice Memos app, you will see a red record button at the bottom of your screen. To start recording, simply tap on this red button. As soon as you tap the red button, your iPhone will begin recording. You can speak or record any sounds you need. When you are finished recording, tap the red button at the bottom of your screen again. This will stop the recording. After you stop the recording, it will be automatically saved. You can find your recording in the list of memos within the app. And this is how you can voice record on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.